मेरा नाम अक्षय कुमार। मुझे 15 साल हो गए हैं इस फ्रेंचाइज में काम करते हुए। दुख की बात यह है कि आज इस फ्रेंचाइज के अंदर एक किलर आ गया है। अब वो किलर कौन है? मैं आज आप लोगों के सपोर्ट से, आप लोगों की मदद से, आप लोग ही बताइए कि इन 18 से 19 लोगों में किलर कौन है? क्या वो किलर, बेटे पहले सुन ले, ज्यादा ज्ञानी मत बन, सुन ले, पहले सुन ले। सबसे पहले, क्या वो निकितन धीर है? आपको लगता है वो किलर है? वो सिर्फ बाइसेप मार सकता है लेकिन किसी को मार नहीं सकता है, मैं बता रहा हूं। क्या किलर फरदीन खान है? क्या लगता है, हां या ना? नहीं, नहीं, सॉरी। क्या वो किलर नाना पाटेकर साहब हैं? जिनके नाम में नाना हो, ना वो किलर नहीं हो सकते मेरे हिसाब से। आपको क्या लगता है? सर आप किलर हैं?
बाद में देख लेंगे, टिकट कटवाने दो उनको पहले।
ये बोले, बिल्कुल प्रोड्यूसर के साथ मिलके बोले टिकट कटवा लेने दो। क्या वो किलर जॉनी लीवर साहब हैं? देखो शक्ल से ही गरीबी। इन्होंने किसको मारना है? जो आदमी रोज सुबह उठ के चर्च पे जाता है, चंकी पांडे। क्या लगता है? चंकी पांडे। ये देखो, मैं अभी भी बता रहा हूं, बाद में आप सबसे पूछूंगा इनमें से किलर कौन है। सबसे ज्यादा वोटिंग जिसको मिलेगी वही किलर होगा। क्या वो रितेश देशमुख है? वैसे नहीं हो सकते क्योंकि 15 साल तक ये मेरे साथ ही, मैं और ये साथ में मिलके हम हाउसफुल के फ्रेंचाइज पे रहे हैं, तो इनका होना थोड़ा नहीं। वैसे एक बात बताऊं, विलन में ये खुद विलन थे, रेड 2 में भी थे। मुझे नहीं लगता इतने बेवकूफ होंगे कि इस फिल्म में भी आके विलन ही बन जाएं। क्या वो अभिषेक बच्चन साहब हो सकते हैं? क्या लगता है, हाँ या ना? चलो ये भी नहीं। अबे हाँ, लेडीज की चेहरा दिखाता हूं, लेडीज, बार बार लेडीज। क्या वो रंजीत साहब हो सकते हैं? क्या ये मर्डर हो सकते हैं? वैसे ये कैसे हो सकते हैं? इनका तो मर्डर हुआ है। तलबड़े साहब आप? ये भी नहीं। अरे कोई हाँ या ना जोर से बोलो। नहीं, यू विल बी सरप्राइज्ड। इनका जानबूझ के मैंने अभी नहीं बताया है। दादा आपको तो पहले ही पहचान लेते हैं, ये पेड़ पौधा लगा के आप आ जाते हो। दादा सब पहचान लिया है। क्या दादा है? ये नहीं लगते आपको?
I've been thinking about this for the last 30 years, that if I make a thriller, what would be the X factor? How would people leave the theater with the villain out? So I've written a story which every theater will have a different killer. So if you see a Gaiety, you will have one killer, and in Galaxy there will be somebody else. In PVR, in screen number 4, you will have one killer, and PVR screen number 5, there will be a different killer. And you may switch the DCP sometimes, so even 6 o'clock show would have a different killer. So every time you watch the film, you will have a different killer. Thank you. And this is first time in the world, so first time in the world this is happening.
This was narrated to us after we shot it.
Yeah, this is, and we narrated while they were shooting in the last portion. I don't think half the people know who the killer is.
So every version will have different killers, basically.
2 killers differently.
Okay, that's interesting. And Akshay sir, I have a question to you over here, same. Sir, after a very long time, we are seeing a slapstick proper comedy coming our way because there have been so many content films which are coming with you as well. You were also part of a lot of content films. So how do you view a slapstick film in today's time?
I think if I would not be mistaken that slapstick comedy ये कोई ऐसी आसान कॉमेडी नहीं है. नाना साहब ने इतनी कॉमेडीज़ की हैं, रितेश ने इतनी कॉमेडी की है, श्रेयस, अभिषेक, they can vouch for it. They have been part of so many other comedies franchise. But let me tell you, slapstick comedy is very difficult. And this comedy, what we all have done, is slapsticks mixed with action comedy. It is physical comedy. I'm a huge fan of Charlie Chaplin. Huge fan. Trust me, I'm telling you. I even have his photograph in my wallet. And if you want to see it, I can show it to you. But I'm a huge fan of Charlie Chaplin because the way he does comedy without saying a single word, with so much of physicalness. So I think, I said that kind of comedy, I am a huge fan of it. So this film has that kind of thing. And unfortunately, this kind of comedy doesn't get that, क्या कहते हैं उसका जो है ना, कदर नहीं मिलती उसकी, acclaim नहीं मिलता उसको. It is, award तो भूल जा बेटे, award कहाँ से मिलता है. But it is very, very difficult to make people laugh when it comes to physical comedy and when it comes to slapstick comedy. That's it.
I would just like to add
Photograph
one thing.
देखनी है क्या?
Franchise is
हिंदी में
also.
बोल, अंग्रेजी नहीं आती.
Okay, sir. सर आपने इतनी सारी फ्रेंचाइज फिल्म्स की हैं, लाइक वेलकम हो गई, देन व्हाट इज दिस अबाउट, मतलब हाउसफुल 5 में ऐसा क्या अपील हुआ और आपको कैसे कन्विंस किया कि आप इस फिल्म का पार्ट बने?
देखो, डायरेक्टर कौन है उस पर निर्भर करता है, और दूसरी बात है पैसे. तो मैं दोनों से खुश था और जो रोल था वो बेहतरीन था. और मैं सच कहता हूँ कि इतने साल, 12 साल तूने क्यों नहीं फिल्म डायरेक्ट की, मेरे समझ में नहीं आता. इसके बाद तो लगातार कर 12 साल, उसके बाद रिटायर्ड हो जा. लेकिन वो देख करते हुए हमको तो कुछ करना नहीं है. इन लोगों ने वो जिस तरह से वो स्लैपस्टिक की है, मुझे तो सीरियसली करना था और वो जैसे करना था मैंने कर दिया. अब देख लो आपको कैसा लगता है.
Sir, the excitement for the film is on a high, but it also comes at the heels of when another film of yours has got into some trouble with Paresh sir's exit in Hera Fairy 3. So I wanted to ask you, like, the fans have been so disappointed and they have said so many things, including calling Paresh sir foolish for taking this step of leaving this franchise. What do you have to say so as to calm the
Okay,
situation?
well, let me first tell you one thing. What's your name? क्या बोलना?
Akash Bhatnagar.
आकाश जी, सबसे पहले तो मैं आपको कहूँगा कि using this kind of word for one of my co-star, like a foolish word or something, I would not appreciate it. I would say that that's not right. He's been with me, I've worked with him since last 30 साल से, 32 साल से मैं उनके साथ काम करते आया हूँ. We are very good friends. He's a great actor. I really admire him. And जो भी कुछ है, I don't think so this is a place where I'm going to talk about it, because whatever has to happen, it's a very serious matter. It is a matter which is going to be handled by the court and things like that. So I don't think I'm going to speak about it here. Okay, thank you.
I think Abhishek Bachchan. We did part 3. People loved it. Part 4, we missed him, and he's back here with part 5. But I just feel that when we did Houseful, we never thought it would be a franchise. But I think, Sajid Nadarwala came up with a brilliant script, and then it became part 2, and then part 3. Sajid Khan directed that one, and we are here with part 5. I think the love from the audience has been immense for this franchise, and that's the reason we are back. Hopefully, people watch this film with as much love they have watched the previous parts, and hopefully we come back with part 6 again.
Okay, thank you.
I think I'm truly, truly grateful and very privileged to be sharing a screen space with all the stalwarts, and it's an amazing opportunity, and I feel truly blessed. And from the day one, I felt like we are on a picnic. Everybody's so warm, welcoming. Not even for a moment I felt like that this is my first big, film and opportunity. I'm so grateful to everyone who made me feel like, I'm just being part of this, and so respectful. So much to learn from, and I'm so blessed and grateful to be here. I'm so overwhelmed, and I definitely want to take the opportunity to just say thank you to my god sister Varda. Because of her, and of course because of Sajid sir and everybody, I get to share this screen space with everybody I would have ever imagined to start with.
And I'd just like to add, it did not feel like it was her first time
Yes,
on
I
screen.
have worked a big before, but yes, sharing a big screen that
But yeah,
way
you
with
were
big
amazing.
film. So
Seriously, and we
sweet.
have a lot to learn from you too.
No, thank you.
इतने बड़े बड़े जोकर है माँ गया सबसे बड़ा जिसने अभी बोला सफेद सूट में उसके सामने कौन बोल सकता है कुछ एक नंबर का बदमाश है खड़े खड़े शर्ट कब निकाल देता मालूम नहीं पड़ता किया है तूने बहुत बार हकीक तो प्रैंक ब्रैंक ने इन लोग को देखने से ही मजा लिया है पूरा गेम में खो गया मनसूख खानी ने संभाला बाकी का पूरा गैंग तो अपना ये पुराना सब है कोई नया है बहुत ज़्यादा ही नया है मेरे बाजू में आजू बाजू बहुत खूबसूरत है गोली चाचा मेरे साथ है मेरा सीनियर जिसकी मैं बहुत इज्जत करता हूँ बहुत प्यार देता हूँ बाकी किसके बारे में बोलूँ सब अपने लोग ये बड़ू आप लोग अपने खाली लेवल अलग अलग लगे ले रहे सबको सबके ऊपर एक लेवल है बाकी वही छे सुबह मालूम पड़ता है ऑल माई लव यू हाँ बाबा छोटी बच्ची है क्या रे हाँ बाबा मिसिंग माई हाँ माँ मेरे बाप बच्चा मारेंगे एक दिन सबका बाप कोई शक ही नहीं बड़ू बहुत मज़ा आया मेरा भिड़ू है ही नहीं आज संजू बाबा आया नहीं नो प्रॉब्लम मगर वो मैं अपने सामने ही है ये शुड टेक हिम उनका शूटिंग कहीं चल रहा है मगर हम लोग का जोड़ी पिक्चर के अंदर है और बहुत हम लोग ने एक दूसरे को बहुत पुरानी बातें भी की नहीं भी की मज़े लिए अब तुम लोग भी लो मेरी जान कुछ ज़्यादा बोलूँगा ना पकाऊंगा नहीं बड़े बड़े बोलने वाले जैसा कि ये बोल बाबा बोल सफ़ेद सूट
Well, this is the first time I'm doing comedy. This is the first attempt, and that to be part of something which is so huge. Houseful is known. I mean, it's one of the biggest franchise, and then Sajid, and it's one of the biggest producers and biggest star cast. Very overwhelming, and honestly, jo mere saath baithe hain sab like stalwarts of comedy. I was so nervous. I can't tell you मैंने कितनी बार कहा कि I'm so nervous. But I just want to thank. Actually, Tarun, my director, who's cast me in this, he thought of me for the part, and everybody, I was so nervous, I can't tell you. But it's come through, I think, acha hua hai. That's what I've heard from Sajid. I've not seen the film. But yeah, really looking forward, very nervous.
जी बहुत ही अच्छा लगा First of all, to Sajid, congratulations on 75 years. It's truly momentous. I don't know many studios that have made it to 75. And I think reaching 75 is a milestone because it's a testimony of his love that he has towards our industry. Coming to Tarun is family. Tarun and I have known each other since we were 16. And I had the pleasure of being in his first film, Dostana. Working with him is always wonderful. It becomes a holiday for me because you know that Tarun is going to take care of everything. And I'm just so happy that he's back to working. I think he's an amazing talent. And especially in a genre like this, I don't think there's anybody better than him. And I mean this with humility and respect to all the other makers. And I really hope that he continues to work a lot more frequently. Coming back to Houseful, it's, yeah, like you said, it's homecoming. I mean, all of these guys are my friends. And it feels so nice to be able to go on a set which is happy, which is loving, which is collaborative. And it was just a sheer pleasure. I'm very thankful to all of them for their love and for giving me this opportunity.
When I think of coming back, it feels like a second coming. I guess in my case, you could argue it's a third. But to be received and met with love, respect from my colleagues, curiosity and appreciation is something I'm extremely, extremely grateful for. To to make a comeback after a period of 12 years is not something you can really plan. I just prepared for it. All I knew is this is what I know what to do. I missed being on set. I missed part of telling stories. I missed, you know, the connection that takes place between the people you work with on a very human level. And that is very special and very exclusive to this profession. And finally, for me, you know, this will be my 4th release in just over a year, and to have it with Houseful 5, you know, the greatest comedy franchise, the most successful comedy franchise in Hindi film history, you know, which brings everyone together through joy, through love, through madness. For me, it just feels like a celebration of this process, or this comeback, or however you want to phrase it. So having said that, I'm just extremely grateful to all those who have believed in me, who thought I had a few rounds left, who've given me an opportunity to work with, you know, this kind of talent, you know, and especially to Sajid. You know, it's the second time we're working together, and I felt very much at home, and he's a true brother and a well-wisher, and extremely grateful. And congratulations to you, your company, and 75 years, and to everything that you do, and wish you continued success. Lots of love, brother.
I'm scared. बट नहीं, ये तो बात होगी ना, सिंपल सी बात है. 2 अलग अलग फिल्में, अलग अलग टेक्निकली जॉनर कहिए, तो कंपैरिजन तो होगा ही, और कोई एक चलेगी एक नहीं चलेगी, कभी कभी दोनों चलेगी. सो आई थिंक दिस इज पार्ट एंड पार्सल, लाइक साजिद भाई जस्ट मेंशन्ड, कि इतने सालों से ये चलता आया है, आगे भी चलता रहेगा. एंड दैट इज़ द बेस्ट पार्ट अबाउट बीइंग इन द इंडस्ट्री, दैट यू कीप ट्राइंग. Certain things work, certain things that probably you're not even expecting end up working, you know. So I feel I'm very happy and blessed to be still here, working with the best of talent that we have in the industry today, and being a part of the biggest comedy franchise, Houseful 5. मैं भी 12 साल बाद कर रहा हूँ Houseful, you know. So but I'm just very happy and glad to be a part of this. So yeah, that's how it is.
It's just so much emotion inside, so much excitement. It's kind of funny how this happened to me. It actually happened here in an elevator, because I met Sajid sir after watching a movie, and I said, hey, I miss you. We should work together again. And then he called me and he's like, hey, Houseful 5. I said, this is amazing. And I feel like it's a great comeback, because I'm back and I'm excited to work again. Yes, I was away for a bit. But it felt really good. It felt like a family. And everyone's so warm and loving. And I've never seen so many people get along. Because that's really weird. Like, a lot of people, yeah, right? Like, everybody got along. Everybody, the girls got along. Oh my God. And I've never seen girls get along in my life. But us girls got along. We were supportive. We were laughing. We were having fun, right? So it feels great. I'm so happy that you called me. I'm so happy. Thank you. You're amazing.